Hello everybody. Sorry for the close-up. I got a different lens on here today. It is 3 a.m. Saturday morning. Well, about 2:45-ish. We're about to watch the SpaceX rocket launch. Now I'm not that close, you know, I'm still in the Orlando area, so I'm about a little over an hour, about an hour away or so. So I'm not right there at the launch site, but it's night. It's a pretty clear night, and I hope I can get a really good shot of it. So this is the SpaceX launch. So let's see if we can get a good shot. There it is. Rocket launch.
Your phone's not facing.
That's pretty cool, Bill. Welcome back to FloriDad Friday, everybody.
You made me jump.
Say hello.
Hi.
Betsy and I were out yard selling this morning.
Yeah, I know that's what Joe woke up wanting to do this morning.
Yeah.
I did some haggling and I got all I wanted for $5 total. I'm feeling pretty good.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go watch Jake's basketball game, and then we're gonna come home and have sandwiches and go to the beach.
The beach.
Chillax.
One of the best things about living in Florida is the beach. About to have a real good pizza. This is 4 total carbs.
What do you want?
It's a pizza on an all-natural chicken breast with Parmesan cheese crust. So we'll try this out. I had a real good brand enchilada, and it was actually really good. First of all, I heated up and forgot the cardboard off, so I had to quick microwave it. And we're in a hurry, late for the basketball, so we had to eat and go. So we'll try it out. All right, let's try this pizza. So far, it doesn't look real good. It's not real good at all. Pretty soggy. Real good pizza is real bad. Time for basketball. Go sports team! About to go to the beach, getting ready. Jake made a bridge. Jake made a bridge in the sand. It's supporting them. And this is one of the best things about living in Florida, coming to the beach. Not exactly very warm, well, it was pretty warm earlier today. Close to the beach, it was a little cooler, but it still feels really good Water's way too cold for us. I see there's a lot of surfers out there. So, they're enjoying it, but I'm not getting in. And that is pretty awesome.